chocolate pineapple upside down cake. That is our today's recipe. For this recipe, let's get ready with these ingredients. To get started with the recipe, let's melt butter and sugar on low heat. Then pour it to the baking tray and spread it all over the pan. Then we can arrange pineapple slices on the tray. Now in a separate bowl, let's beat butter and sugar until thick and creamy. We need to beat this more while adding eggs one at a time. Then we can add vanilla or coconut extract. After that, get another small bowl and combine flour, scraped coconut, baking powder, cocoa powder and salt. Now we need to gradually add flour mixture. When flour combined well, we can add coconut milk. Finally, add melted chocolate and mix well to incorporate. Now we can pour this batter into prepared baking tray and bake the cake around 40 to 45 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. After baking, let it cool down a bit in the baking tray and then turn it upside down. Let's meet again with another delicious video.